Hey everyone. So if you've been using IOTLink, then you know that the audio functionality was removed because there was a memory leak. I did some research and I found that the latest version for the audio core library has this fixed. So instead of creating a pull request for the IOTLink repository, I just created a separate add-on. Now, if you have issues, you see that the you see that IOTLink is eating your memory, then you can just stop the add-on. Okay. Now, in order to install it, it's very easy. You just have to download this zip file, extract it in the add-ons folder. So in my case, this is C program data IOTLink add-ons. Okay, and once you extract it, you see that it creates a folder called audio commands. And if you go inside, you see that it has just the same structure as all the other add-ons, a YAML file and a DLL file. Okay, now that you extracted this, you just have to go to the Services tab in Task Manager and restart IOTLink. Once you did that, you can go to, if you want to test this, uh, let's go to the Services tab in Home Assistant, select mptt.publish, and here we're going to use this topic IOTLink workgroup, the name of your PC, /audio commands, audio and volume in order to change the volume. So if I click on call service, you'll see that the volume was changed to 100. If I call it 50, yeah. And you can also mute. So if I say /audio/mute, I have to clear this so there's no payload, and as you can see my audio is muted, and you can just toggle this by calling it multiple times. That's it. If you have issues and you want to uninstall this, you just have to delete the folder, go to Task Manager, restart IOTLink, and now if I call this, you see that the audio is muted. That's it.